Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can make a presentation or a PPT in Canva. So first, when you're in the Canva website, you want to search and go down here to the presentation. You can just click on this and then it will make you a little presentation site that you can configure and you can edit. For example, let's just add an element. I'm gonna add this diagram and I'm gonna add a text. Let's call it like diagram. Alright, now let's put it on this side right here. Alright, as you can see, and now you can just click on share and you can actually download it. You can actually present it as well. Let's try to present it and you can click present if you want to. Now you know how to make your presentation or a PPT in Canva. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.